another training. Last week, the past few weeks, we had our new entrepreneurs orientation. Right now, we are going to tell you the G4 proven system, or the Gear 4 proven system. It's a network building program or a framework of building Fusion Excel global organization. So it's more on a framework. Kung paano talaga siya, paano mo siya talaga gagawin and make it global. And this has been proven by the book of Don Fila. So Don Fila started this one way back 1967. So Don Fila has been using this program, this system, for already quite of years had passed, and he had already enjoyed the fruit of his labor. So what is this? Let's proceed. I welcome you to MLM industry, or multi-level industry. What is that? Multi-level industry is one of the fastest growing industry, yet misunderstood. What do I mean? Kasi, ang nangyayari kasi, especially here in the Philippines, we are introducing, or the people who have been introduced by the leaders before of other networking companies, have been introduced about multi-level marketing, and yet, the company did not last long. So it has been misunderstood that when you are going to introduce MLM to the people would really act with diha dayon, or right there and then the person would say, oh, no, I don't like it. Because it's not gonna work with me. So here, we are introducing to you how does really MLM work. It is created more, in MLM, it creates more millionaires in the past 10 years compared to other industries. So here in this book, it is being explained how does really MLM penetrated the market, and how does MLM help in every individual who works on it. It approved list last 1979 by U.S. federal law as legitimate way of moving products. So in the United States, it has been approved. This marketing, this multi-level marketing, is one of the way why American or United States became rich. It has been approved last 1979 pa, way back 1979. And what is really the meaning of multi-level marketing? Multi means more than one. More than one people, more than one person, in your organization. Level means generation. You are duplicating not just one, but more. You are building an organization. And marketing is moving a product or your product from the provider to the consumer. So what is the difference right now of legitimate multi-level marketing and so-called network marketing that has put a wrong connotation to the people who are doing network marketing before. So it's like this. In MLM, in network, let's say networking. In networking, there are 3 gates that you can identify if it is legitimate or not. In networking, they say, number 1, that person is measured through his income. They said in networking, it's like this. You is at the top. So, a lot, let's say dollars, you earn a lot. Number two, you got people, many people, while you are on top. Many people under you, working for you. And number three, less effort. In this consideration, kung ikaw, mo-apil ka og network marketing, would you join? Mo-apil ka dili. Nga ang usa ka tao ni recruit, and then, siya nag-income na sagdako without doing anything or having only a very less effort. While you are doing all the effort. Musulod ka dili. Dili ka. But the legitimate network marketing still has this three gates, but it's like this. Inverted triangle. This is you. This is your income. And these are the people with you. Why we say it's legitimate? Because it's like this. This is the range of your working on in the MLM, legitimate MLM. Let's consider 1 to 3 months. They said in networking, you just work a little, recruit as many people as you can, and then you earn a lot of income. But here it's like this. You work. This is your effort. This is you. Down here. So now see it. See the triangle. Do you think wala kay effort? Naa kay effort. Actually, dako kayo ang imuhang effort. Grabe imuhang kayod on the first to third month of doing the business. And your income, look, it's only a very small portion. And your people, maybe you only have one person under you in your 1 to 3 months. Or let's say 2, because we are introducing binary. So you earn, you got 2. Do you think wala kay effort? You got a very, very long effort in doing the business. Nag-share ka, you're sharing. Another thing, let's say you move on 4 to 6 months. So now this is the difference. Ang imong effort, it gets lesser. Then your income increasing, and the people under you nag-increase that sila. Right? It increases. Until you move on. You don't stop. You don't quit. Why? Because you see it's good. Still you got effort. 7 to 10 months. Lesser effort, greater income, more people. Here you are already a director in our company. Here you become executive director. Another step, you don't stop. Again, you work on. Lesser effort, more income, more people under your organization, more leaders working with you, running with you, but you don't stop. Until you reach, this is already your 11 to 12 months, let's say. Now you don't stop because our goal is max out. Now in max out, you are already here. At the very tip of the triangle. Very, very less effort. But then income stream is coming. Streaming on you and with the people working. Now you got your ROI. Return on investment. Return of investment. So, nasabtan, any question about this? So, mauna siya ang kalahian sa networking. And by the way, networking will only last pinakadugay 1 to 3 years of operation. After 3 years, wala na. As our company, we already reached 5 years. And we are turning to 6.
Wow.
Wala bang palakpak dyan? So, let's proceed.